Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you another money saving tip, and this is in making a dishwashing liquid at home. The first thing that we need to do is to put this into the 16-liter water. This called is sodium lauryl ether sulfate. Basically, the job of this is to reduce the water tension to be able to penetrate the oils and greases on those plates and utensils that you're washing. You'll have to put this and let it stay for 10 minutes before mixing it. Okay, let's just wait for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes now. Let's start mixing. Don't worry about this bamboo stick. I cleaned it thoroughly. Now I'm going to add this into the water. This is what's inside of this is antibacterial ingredient, water softener, degreaser, scent, preservatives, and colorant. So just mix it. I've been mixing it earlier. One, two, three, four, five, then reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll add half of this extra degreaser. Now I'm going to add this super bubble booster and foam booster, and we'll mix it again thoroughly. Let's mix it again thoroughly. And last, we will have to put the thickener. We have to put this slowly while mixing. Do not put this abruptly, everything. Okay? Put it slowly while mixing slowly. after mixing thoroughly all the ingredients, you will have to rest it for a day or overnight before using it or transferring it to a new bottle or gallon, or used bottle or gallon that you have at home. If after resting it for an overnight, those bubble formation is going to disappear. So I hope you like the idea and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.